Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, we're going to be opening some summertime Happy Mail. I got this package today. Today's Friday. Nothing like receiving some Happy Mail on a Friday. And you guys, I'm going to link down below Kat's Instagram, Kat's YouTube channel. Definitely go check her out. And when you subscribe and when you follow, leave her a comment and let her know that you came from my channel, that I'm sending tons of love her way. You guys are amazing with that, and I know that you guys will go and follow and show some love, because that's what we need to do. We need to empower each other and follow each other and uplift each other and help each other grow our channels, grow our Instagrams, because there's no need for hating or just, you know, the nonsense. It's not necessary. We're all in the same community. We all love the same thing, so let's do it for the love of the craft, right? And she does amazing crafts, so definitely go check her out and tell her I sent you. So you guys, this was a summer swap, and this is what she sent me. Isn't it so cute? It says hello sunshine. She put Lily on it. I'm gonna have a video soon up of what I sent her and packaging it up. I'm just waiting for her to get it, which will be tomorrow, hopefully. But look at this, how cute. I love the paper that she used. So tropical. It says adventure. Look at this cute little swimsuit. So I did take a little sneak peek, because you guys know that I am very impatient, plus I wanted to take a picture, but I didn't see the full details, because when I was taking it out, I was like, you know what, let me just put it back in and I'll open it in the video and take a picture afterwards. So let's get everything out of the box, because I'm excited. First of all, I'm super excited for this, because I don't have this piñata, and you guys, she filled it with some candy. There's some yum yums in there, Starburst. My daughter is going to totally rob me for those candies. You guys, I'm constantly getting robbed by my daughter and my wife. They take my candy, they take all my little stickers and stuff, my cutesy stuff. Look at this piñata. I love it. I have so many piñatas. I think I've been sent 3 so far. This is super cute. We're gonna put the piñata right here. She also sent me this super cute headband, which I'm sure she altered. Look at that. Cute little palm trees. How fun is this mail? I love it. She made me a huge wand. Look at that. This was like a little sneak peek she had on her Instagram. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. It's so big, you guys. Look, it's like the size of my hand. This is like my second wand that I get that is so big. Cute little flamingo straw. Look at all that crinkle paper. Love it. I haven't been able to find this banana wrapping paper, and I need it in my life. Look at this packaging, you guys. Isn't that adorable? So cute. And she made me like a little shaker. Look at that. This is fun. I love it. She also made me one of those little confetti poppers that are super popular right now, using the same little paper. I love these, and you guys are loving the video that I posted on confetti. Cute little fun straw. These are super fun to drink chocolate milk out of. Well, you could drink anything out of it, but chocolate milk is super fun if you like chocolate milk. Oh my, look how pretty, you guys. She made me a bunch of rosettes. I love these. These are so fun. I need to get me some border punches, because I don't have any. And look, you guys, there's so much. I love these. I don't have any of these, so I definitely will be saving those little balls, the little gold balls from Hobby Lobby. There's a cute little banner I see here. It says hello summer. Oh, super cute. And we have some more little packaging. We have this one right here. Look at this one, you guys. I love this watermelon paper. The little swimsuit. And we have another one right here with the little, I wonder what paper this is. What paper is this, Cat, if you're watching? Super cute. Look at this one, you guys. How fun is that? And then I think we have one more, which is this one. Let me take the confetti off. Look at that. I love how she wrapped everything up. It looks so good and so fun. There's a little confetti mix, not confetti, sequence mix. Isn't that adorable? And then look at this, you guys. How fun is this little mix that she did here, which I will be packaging up. Oh, there's some candies in here that go in the piñata. Okay, so let me just move this box aside. And let's start looking at our goodies. I'm gonna open everything carefully because I didn't take a picture and I don't wanna ruin anything. So we're going to open it this way, just so that I can still show in the picture the way she wrapped it up. Are you guys doing any summer swaps? Let me know down below if you guys are doing any summer swaps. Those are super fun. Ooh, we got some goodies. Ooh, she sent me some bags. I love these. Look, you guys. These are like, it's almost like, isn't, oh, they're like, oh my God, I can't think of that, the name of these right now. You guys know what I'm talking about. How pretty are these? This floral print, it's not vellum. I don't think it's vellum. It's like that waxy material. These are so cute. I love these. Thank you. She sent me some cute little stickabilities from the Paper Studio. All different kinds of glasses. You get 34 pieces. I think they're clear. These are fun to add on, like little, like if you have like a flamingo or like a dog and you just put the glasses on top, it'll make it look super fun. She sent me this cute little journal with the pineapple. How cute. Thank you. I love it. I showed you guys the banner. This is Hello Summer. It's a cute little pineapple. That's fun to put on the door. Then we have this one right here. It says Aloha Beaches. How cute is that? Okay, let's see. Clear Up Skin. Oh, I think this is a face mask. Let's open it this way, because I don't want to ruin my packaging. I like to take pictures and give the credit, you know, how you should give it, how they packaged it and stuff. Yes, it is. I love these unicorn masks. I have the pink one and the blue one. These are super fun. You guys know I love me some masks. I'll put that back in a little bit. Look at all the fun confetti all over the desk. You guys, I'm obsessed with these rosettes. Look how pretty they are. They are so beautiful. I'm definitely gonna shop for some border punches because I need to start making my rosettes look like this. I haven't made any of these. Thank you so much for those. Then we have this one right here. We're gonna also open this one from the bottom carefully because we don't want to ruin the packaging. Where's my scissors? Oh, right here. It's finally starting to cool down, you guys, and I'm so excited. It's actually gonna be in the 50s tonight. Oh, these are a pair of socks. I love this. This is so fun. I love the little bottle cap. So cute. You guys, look how cute these are. Some pineapple socks and some striped socks. These are so fun. I will definitely be using these. I love these. These are so cute. Thank you. Then we have this one right here. And let's see what we have. Let's open. It's like Christmas. When you get Happy Meal like this, you guys, it's like Christmas. Let's see. Ooh, what is this? What do we have here? Is this a flamingo? so cute. It's a little toucan. Oh, I love these little figurines like that because I put them on my shelf right in front of my desk, and this goes perfect with my colors. Look, you guys, I love this. This is so cute. Thank you. I don't have anything like that. You guys saw my little piñata with little candies. How fun. My little mixes. And then the last little package that I see right here is this one, and I'm obsessed with this wrapping paper. I need to find this paper. It is gorgeous, darling, gorgeous. So we're gonna open it carefully because I think that I can actually save some of this paper and use it. What do we have here? Oh, what is this? Is this a bag? OMG, it's a bag. You guys, look at this bag. Girl, this is beautiful. Oh, I love it so much. Thank you. Look at the handles. It's like rope. Oh, this is adorable. I love this. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Kat. All these goodies were amazing. You packaged everything so beautifully. I cannot wait for you to see your package. I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoy yours. I cannot wait for our next swap. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're not involved in a summer swap, definitely get into one. These are super fun. And yeah, don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.